breaking updates coming in. Times Now has learnt that the BJP is actively trying to expand NDA. Top sources tell Times Now that a senior BJP leader is in touch with Uddhav to join the NDA, and that Uddhav is in fact believed to be considering the proposal. Shivani joining us with that scoop. Shivani, this could be a big development. The NDA are trying to expand, and BJP leaders reaching out to Uddhav Thackeray as well. He had not attended the India Bloc meeting yesterday in the national capital. What's happening there?
Well, this is an interesting move by the Bharatiya Janata Party. And then union level, we can see a minister at the union level who comes from Maharashtra is in touch with Uddhav Thackeray, has already given the proposal of joining the NDA. And the more interesting part is that Uddhav Thackeray is also considering this offer. Similarly, today also, the kind of meeting that took place at the Rashtriya Adhyaksha, JP Nadda's place in Delhi, there also discussion was made about Uddhav Thackeray joining the hands of NDA again. Because we have seen in Lok Sabha elections, the result, the output that has come, which is in the favor of MVA. Again, Uddhav Thackeray's stature, candidature, and also the status as a politician in Maharashtra has grown quite well. And that is the reason that Uddhav Thackeray is being considered yet again. Though Mr. Thackeray is still thinking of how this alliance will be made again, because again Uddhav Thackeray is another side of faction, that is Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena, is still with NDA in Maharashtra. And how this procedure will take ahead place, that is something everybody is looking at. But it is a big news if Uddhav Thackeray is still considering this offer or this alliance. Clearly, it will rotate the politics in the state of Maharashtra for 360-degree overall. Because yesterday also, when Mr. Senior Sharad Pawar was also speaking about the number game, here also he mentioned that even if the opposition has to go ahead, the number game is something that needs to be focused. And we can clearly see now that Uddhav Thackeray's victory margin was 43+%. And on the other side, Eknath Shinde's victory percentage was about 47%, which clearly indicates that Uddhav Thackeray is no less powerful neta like Devendra Fadnavis or Eknath Shinde or Ajit Pawar or Sharad Pawar.